is x equals t squared minus 7, and y equals t squared plus 5, and we have 0 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 4. So we'll just solve x for t squared. So t squared equals x plus 7. So then putting t squared into this equation, I got y equals x plus 7 plus 5, or y equals x plus 12. So that would be that, and the restriction would be x equals 0 minus 7, so you have negative 7, and then x equals 16 minus 7, putting it back up into here, which is equal to 9. So the restriction would be negative 7 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. So that's part of the answer. Number 10, we have x equals the square root of t plus 1, then minus 3, and y equals t over 2 minus 4. Okay, so the square root of t plus 1 equals x plus 3, so t plus 1 equals x plus 3 quantity squared, so t is x plus 3 quantity squared minus 1. And I guess I multiply that out and simplify it. T equals x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 1, or x squared plus 6x plus 8. So we have t. We put that back up into here. We get y equals x squared plus 6x plus 8 all over 2 minus 4. Simplifying it to 1/2 x squared plus 3x plus 4 minus 4. So we get y equals 1/2 x squared plus 3x. Now it had a restriction that t had to be greater than or equal to negative 1. So taking this, what I got for t, and substituting in negative 1, saying that what I got for t had to be greater than or equal to negative 1, I subtracted the negative 1, adding it to the other side. So I got x squared plus 6x plus 9 is greater than 0. Factored that, so I get x plus 3 quantity squared is greater than or equal to 0. X plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. And so x is greater than or equal to negative 3. So x is greater than or equal to negative 3 would be the restriction on the domain. Let's keep going. Number 11, I have x equals 3 minus t over t, and y equals 6 over t. So I'm definitely going to use this one because I have two t's. Well, I guess I could So t equals 6 over y. So going back and putting that into there, x equals 3 minus 6 over y over 6 over y. So let's solve this for y. That would be 1 over, that would be 6x, hang on, this is times y over 3 over 6. So that becomes 3y, hang on a minute, maybe I'll do it this way. I'll simplify this side first. X equals 3y over 6. Am I doing it too fast? Okay, I'm doing x equals 3 over 1 over 6 over y minus 6 over y over 6 over y. Okay, so x equals 3y over 6 minus 1, or x equals y over 2 minus 1, or x equals 1/2 y minus 1. We got to solve for y now. I know I'm all over the place. X plus 1 equals 1/2 y. So 2x plus 2 equals y. So y equals 2x plus 2. Now, we had a condition. Nope, we didn't have a condition, but we have to go back and look. Y can't be 0, but t can't be 0. So let's see. If t couldn't be 0, then let's go back up and look at what we had when we have x equals. T can't be 0, so we'd have 3 minus t over, let's see, in terms of x, sorry. I'd have x equals y over 2 minus 1, and can't be equal to 0, so you still get x can't be equal to 0. All right, and I'll do 11, 12, and 12, 13, 14 on the next video.